In this video, we're going over 7 reasons why you should get the new LG K40. Hey everyone, thank you for joining us today. If you want to stay up to date on all the mobile technology coming out and learn cool tips, tricks, and hidden features, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and tap the bell to turn on post notifications so you can be alerted every time we post new videos. Today we're going to go over some really cool reasons why you may want to pick up the LG K40, and stay tuned to the very end. We're going to show you some reasons why you may not want to get it as well, because there are some cool things about it, but there are some things you need to know that may deter you from getting this phone. So all that's up to you. Before we get started, we just want to give you a quick shout out that in the description below we have an LG K40 accessory store where you'll find really cool cases, memory cards to expand your storage, and other cool accessories to go with this phone. So if you're looking for some cool things, if you decide to get this phone, go to the description and check out our LG K40 store and see if you find anything cool you like. If so, pick it up. It's a part of our affiliate program. It helps to support our channel and keep the videos coming. Let's go ahead and jump right in. The first reason why you'll want to get the LG K40 is the software. So it is going to come with the latest version of Android, which gives you all the latest features and enhancements that come out from Google. The next reason you're going to want to get it is going to be the design. So one cool thing that LG did with this phone versus last year's K30 is they made it a lot lighter, a lot slimmer in terms of the design. So it does feel a lot better in the hand. You got that nice gray on the back there, that kind of shiny gray. So very light, feels very good in the hand, and a great phone for those of you that don't want something big and bulky. So I love the slim and just the very minimalist design of the phone, and for that reason I say you should definitely consider it. There are a lot of great phones out there that are really big screens are in. But for those of you that don't care about big screen, you want something that's going to fit well in your pocket and you can take around easily, this would be a great phone to consider for that. Our third reason is going to be the security. So you are getting a fingerprint scanner on the back. You can use to unlock with your fingerprint. A lot of phones are phasing this out. It's not easy to find this anymore, so definitely a plus that it still has that. This also does have facial recognition built in, so you can program it to unlock with your face as well. So you got 2 different ways to secure the phone, depending on which one works better for you. But definitely great pluses to have on the phone. The fourth reason is going to be the storage. So the storage is decent. It's not bad and it's not amazing. It does advertise 32 gigs of internal storage. Now of that 32, you're going to get about 17.9 gigs for you. So the operating system does take up quite a bit, but you know what you're playing around with, and this phone does come at a very low price point for a lot of carriers. In fact, I think on Amazon it has it for around $150. So for the amount you're paying for the phone, to get 17-18 gigs to start with is not bad. The other plus is that the memory is expandable. You can plug in a micro SD card and you can expand up to, get this, 2 terabytes. So you can, not many people are going to spend that much money for a memory card. I would say get 64 or 120 gigabyte memory card to expand the storage. Either way, you have the option to give yourself more storage. So for that reason, I say it is a great phone to consider, because you are getting a good amount of storage to start, and a lot of you that are coming from the K20 and K30 have a lot less, so this will be an upgrade for you. Moving on to the next reason is going to be the dedicated Google Assistant button. So on the left side of the phone, you are getting a Google Assistant button that you can just tap at any time to launch your assistant and have it open apps for you easily, set timers for you, Google things on the web, check the weather. It's a great feature. I use it a lot. I like to use it for setting timers when I cook or setting alarms at night before I go to bed. You can just simply just tap it and say, set an alarm for 10 p.m. And that easy, it will set an alarm for you, and you can have it do a lot of other things as well. So it's great to have it right at your fingertips. It will kind of cut down on things that you have to learn for the phone. You can even ask it to open apps for you. You can have it download an app for you. You can say, open up this app, just by tapping that button to launch the assistant to start listening. So definitely a cool feature there. And moving on to our next one, number 6 is going to be NFC. So you are getting NFC built in. Not a lot of people use this feature, but for some, this is still a very important feature in terms of linking with Bluetooth speakers quickly, or transferring data, or doing other specific things. So you do have NFC built in, which means you also can use features like Google Pay as well. So definitely a plus for those of you that use that feature. And our last reason, number 7, is going to be you've got the headphone jack still built in at the bottom of the screen there, which is great. A lot of phones today do not, or a lot of manufacturers are phasing out the headphone jack. So for the phones that still have it, I like to highlight that because it's something that we're going to see less and less. And to me, it's still so easy to be able to carry a pair of wired earbuds with you on a trip and not have to worry about charging a Bluetooth headphone set. So definitely a cool reason to still consider it. Those are going to be the pros right there, the first 7. And now we're going to jump to the cons and tell you some reasons why you may not want to get it, because there are a few flaws in the phone in our opinion. The first one is going to be there is no fast charging, so just regular standard rate charging, so it will take longer. Second reason is going to be no water resistance or waterproofing, no IP67 certification, so you have to be careful with this phone around water. Number 3 is going to be the camera is just decent. You are getting a 13 megapixel rear camera, 5 megapixel front, but there's nothing special about it. It's going to be very basic. Don't expect amazing quality pictures. Good, but not great. So that's why I put it on the con list, because you will be able to take pictures, but again, don't have a high expectation. Just, you know, putting it out there. Number 4 is going to be the battery is not removable, and the battery is pretty standard in terms of the size, so you're not getting crazy amount of extra battery life. So just is what it is. So last thing I'm going to share really quickly is, who is this phone good for? So this phone is going to be really good for first-time smartphone users. It's going to be good for kids, a great starter phone for your kids if you want to get them a phone to start with. Good for people looking for something slim and light and easy to take with you, very pocket friendly. For those who are looking for something that's a minimal phone for a basic user. So any one of those things will, or any one of those categories will be who this phone is going to be good for. So all in all, it's a decent phone. Another cool thing is a lot of carriers have it on discount. I have a link below in the description of where you can buy one through Amazon. Very reasonable price as well. And if you're looking for a new phone, I'll definitely tell you to consider it if you're looking for something basic. Hope you guys found this video helpful. Leave me a comment down below and let me know your thoughts. Are you considering buying the phone after hearing the review, or has it deterred you? Love to hear your comments in the comment section down below. Like, favorite, share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button. And again, check out our LG accessory store in the description below. Thanks again for watching. Take care and have a good one.